What's up, my Kyrie queens? It's your girl Kyrie Contour. Thank you so much for coming by to my channel. I have a great video for you today. I am doing this look. It's a Jamaican inspired look for Independence Day. Jamaican Independence Day is on August the 6th. So by the time I upload this video, it'll be a couple days before Jamaican Independence Day. So that'll be a great way to just get some inspiration. A little bit about me. I was born in Jamaica almost 31 years ago, but we don't have to, I can edit that part out. Y'all need to know that. Even if you're not in Jamaica like me, I have to celebrate this way. So I hope you guys like it. And if you want to see how I do this look, please stay tuned. Right guys, we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial for today. I am going to jump in and go into the shade Punch Me with my James Charles palette on my brow bone. Just to set that. Just because I'm doing a Jamaican video doesn't mean I have to try to speak patois. I am horrible at it. I was not raised in Jamaica. I was raised in New York and Florida. But my parents, my heritage, everything is Jamaican and I love it. And I'm proud of my country. I'm proud of the accomplishments that they have made. I'm proud to call myself a Jamaican no matter what anybody else says. I'm gonna go right into my Juvia's Place palette and go into Masai and put it right in this pocket right here. I'm gonna go into Spoofy and put it in my crease. Sometimes it's a little hard to blend out the black too, so I'll go back in with the Masai and go on that harsh line. And go from there. Alright guys, I am going in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm going to cut my crease about 1/3 of the way with the milk. So now I'm going to go into B in the James Charles palette and put it on top of the white. So now I'm gonna go in with Black Bean. So I'm gonna go in with L'Oreal Infallible's Golden Emerald. Put that in the middle of my lid. Now we're gonna try this. I don't know what it is with this glitter and stuff, but I am like addicted to this glitter now. So I'm probably just gonna do like a glitter series and just put it all into a playlist or something because I'm like obsessed. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna go in with my trusty lash glue and go right where I cut my crease and put a lash glue line right on the crease line. I feel like none of my stuff that I say makes any type of sense, like, but as long as you guys understand it, that's all that matters, right? Get my gold glitter. Ooh, child. That's kind of cute, guys. That's kind of cute. We're gonna be doing a lot of gems and everything, so this is gonna be like a carnival type look for Jamaica, like if I was to go and do some don't mind me, please. Now we're gonna go back into the Juvia's Place palette, well, into the Warrior 3 palette. We're gonna go back in with Masai. So I'm gonna bring that green out some on my lower lash line. And then we're gonna go back into the James Charles palette and go in with Spooky on my lower lash line. Or now that we have the base of the look, we're just gonna go in with a bunch of diamonds and everything, kind of like focusing it on my eye area. I'm gonna go in with my Hard Candy's Glitter Stay. Put that on my flat brush here. Kind of spread it out on the back of my hand just to control how much product I'm using. And I'm gonna put it all on the lid here, where this little triangular section here. And this is in the shade Style Star. It's just a black glitter. I have some gems. I'm gonna just start placing them in random places. I'm just gonna like speed through this whole thing because I'm gonna be here for a little while. So I'm just going to do my eyeliner. I do have some of this glitter that I think I want to put into the inner corners of my eyes just to tie off the look. Put on some lashes and my foundation. You can see how the whole look ties together. I'll be right back. What do you guys think? Ooh, I love it. I love it. I know you guys saw the sneak peek before I did, but oh my God. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm shouting out all my family and friends. Like, I love you guys so much. I wish I could celebrate with you. This is the only way I know how to celebrate, is to be at home and doing my makeup. So I love you guys. I cannot wait to see you on my next video. I gotta go. I don't even know why I'm still talking to you guys. You guys just let me talk all the time. Stop me, please. I love you guys.